Hey everyone, Allie here. Welcome back to my channel, Summer Soap Company. I am back in the soap room today and we are ready to make a new batch of soap. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm just gonna go and check the temperature of my oils and my lye water, and we are good to go. Just gonna come in here and burp my stick blender, get some of those air bubbles out, and then slowly pour in our lye water mixture. And we're gonna go ahead and get this blended up. Okay, that is looking pretty good. Okay, now that our batter is mixed, we are going to separate it into a couple different containers for our colors. So for today's colors, we are doing some white. I've got some yellow, some pink, and lavender. We're gonna go ahead and get these all mixed up. As you can see here, that yellow kind of morphed into an orange color, but once we pour it and it cures, it's gonna change back into yellow. So that's kind of cool. For our fragrance today, we are using Lilac from Brambleberry, and it smells exactly how it should, just like a lilac bush. I absolutely love it, and I'm excited for this one to be done. Starting to get a little bit thick, so we're gonna have to kind of hurry up here and get it in the mold. I've never used this fragrance before. It says it behaves well, but it is getting thick pretty fast. So we will see what we can do for a design. I'm not really sure. My plan was to do a hanger swirl, but it's a little bit too thick for that, I think. So we'll see what we can do. Oh yeah, it's thick. That's okay. We're just gonna get what we can in the mold and see what we can do. Drop my stuff. All right, we're just gonna kind of go up and down here and see what we can do. Don't want to do too much because you don't want the colors to get all muddled. This one got thick really fast. I'm wondering if it's because it's a floral fragrance. Those tend to seem to thicken up relatively fast. I know it looks absolutely horrendous right now, but that's okay. We're gonna pretty up the top here as soon as I get the rest in. I'm gonna go ahead and tap this one on the floor. That was loud. Let's maybe do some swirling first. Ooh, it's ugly. But it smells awesome. And it's gonna be awesome because it's soap. Just giving a little bit of texture here, trying to salvage it best we can. Yeah, I don't know about this top, you guys. I think we're gonna leave it as it is, and we'll come back tomorrow and we'll see what our cut looks like. It's not the prettiest soap, not gonna lie. All right, my friends, we are back and ready to cut our soap. So let's go ahead and unmold this one. Okay. Looks pretty good. All right, here we go with the first cut. I am expecting some air bubbles because the batter got so thick. So we will see. As you can see, that orange morphed back into yellow. It actually looks kind of cute. Oh goodness, that's adorable. Okay, I like it. I was a little worried, but I think it's kind of cute. And it smells just like a lilac bush. So I'm happy about that. Okay, that's pretty cute. I really like the colors. Very spring. I didn't quite get the design I was hoping for, but overall, I am happy with the way these turned out. I think they're very pretty and perfect for spring. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Ooh, that's a cute one. Just want to say thank you for hanging out with me again today while I made this batch of soap. If you like the content, please go ahead and hit those like and subscribe buttons. And I will see you in the next video. Hope you all have a great week.